Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that's been all the rage in the health world: beetroot juice. You've probably heard about its benefits, from boosting energy to improving your athletic performance. But what about the times you shouldn't be drinking beetroot juice? Yep, that's right. Beetroot juice isn't always your best friend, and there are some important situations where you should avoid it. Stick around to find out when that might be. Let's start with one of the most well-known effects of beetroot juice: its ability to lower blood pressure. For most people, this is a good thing, especially if you're dealing with high blood pressure. But if you already have low blood pressure, beetroot juice can make things worse. Why? Because beets are rich in nitrates, which get converted in your body to nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. If you're already on the lower end of the blood pressure scale, this could lead to dizziness, fatigue, or even fainting. So, if you tend to have low blood pressure, or you're on medication to control it, it's best to consult with your doctor before adding beetroot juice to your diet regularly. Next up, kidney issues. Beetroot juice is rich in oxalate, naturally occurring compounds found in many foods. When you consume too many foods high in oxalate, they can bind with calcium in your kidneys and form kidney stones. Now, if you already have a history of kidney stones or are prone to developing them, it's probably a good idea to limit your intake of beetroot juice. For healthy kidneys, a little beet juice here and there is fine, but if you're dealing with kidney problems, it's better to be cautious. Remember, moderation is key, and if you're unsure, chat with your healthcare provider about what's best for you. Another thing to keep in mind is stomach sensitivity. Beetroot juice is highly acidic, and for some people, it can cause stomach upset, bloating, or indigestion. If you have a sensitive stomach, acid reflux, or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, beetroot juice might not be your best choice. If you're prone to digestive issues, it's best to start with a small amount of beetroot juice and see how your body reacts. If you feel discomfort, it might be time to skip the juice or find an alternative. Pregnancy is another time to be cautious with beetroot juice. Beets are full of nutrients, but they can also have a strong effect on your body. One concern is the high nitrate content, which, while generally safe in moderation, may not be ideal during pregnancy. Nitrates can convert into nitrites in the body, and there's some concern about nitrites affecting the oxygen supply to your baby in high amounts. If you're expecting, it's always best to consult your doctor before drinking beetroot juice regularly. Your doctor can guide you on how much, if any, is safe during pregnancy. Finally, if you're on medication, especially blood thinners or medications for blood pressure, you should be cautious about beetroot juice. The nitrates in beetroot juice can interact with certain medications, potentially enhancing their effects and leading to an unsafe drop in blood pressure or even bleeding risks. Always check with your healthcare provider before drinking beetroot juice if you're on medications, just to make sure there are no interactions that could cause you harm. Beetroot juice is packed with incredible health benefits, but just like any superfood, it's not for everyone. Whether you have low blood pressure, kidney issues, diabetes, or are pregnant, there are times when you might want to skip the juice or be cautious about how much you consume. Always listen to your body and talk to your doctor if you have concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay healthy.